Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating momentum. Pick a quick Game Pigeon title and start at least 2 matches so you always have something on screen. Once done, invite friends who reply within minutes, not days. That keeps play continuous. Make sure notifications are on and respond promptly. Latency kills time in app. Also, name matches or send a short message to prompt rematches. That social cue increases the chance teammates will engage immediately, giving you consistent screen time. Once momentum exists, you sustain it by staggering turns across games so you're rarely waiting. For example, make a move in match A, then in match B. While opponents act, you're active elsewhere. Propose rematches right after a round ends. People are likelier to accept when the game is fresh. Make short, friendly nudges to opponents. A one-line reminder often brings them back. This orchestration keeps you in app longer because new rounds and active threads replace idle gaps. To finish strong, establish a routine. Play at predictable times and rotate partners so someone is always available. If a match stalls, don't wait. Suggest a 1-minute mode or propose swapping in another friend. Quick options revive momentum. If things go wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Verify iMessage delivery, update iOS and Game Pigeon, and confirm notifications aren't muted. Once those fixes are applied, restart a fresh match and use the rematch prompt to reclaim screen time quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.